Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am unboxing my third intention box from Cloth and Paper. This one is special because they are collaborating with Wondermind, which is a company co-founded by Selena Gomez and her mom, Mandy Teefey. This box is a great box to get started on if you are not subscribed to the Cloth and Paper intention boxes yet. You can use my link to get 10% off. If you are already subscribed, make sure you stay subscribed because this box is worth over $175 and it is a lot bigger than any of the other boxes. So this one is extra special. And I just love this blue quilted bag that it comes with. Okay, so I've unboxed a few of these intention boxes already, and I love that every single one of them had a different theme so that you're not just planning the same thing every time. The first one was about finances, the next one was about prioritizing, and now this one is extra special because it's about mental wellness. And I think mental wellness is something a lot of people overlook. A lot of people never look inside of themselves, and I think that is one of the most important steps to getting more productive and trusting yourself. This one is extra meaningful for me because when I was overwhelmed and burnt out, planning was my go-to. I think this box is a perfect reminder of how planning and journaling can also support our mental wellness. Wondermind is all about breaking the stigma around mental health. Their website gives you lots of tools. You can subscribe to their email list. You can read their articles, listen to their podcasts, download some worksheets. All of it is going to help you understand and navigate your mental wellness. And I just think all of these resources on their website is just going to help you manage your stress, boost your productivity, and stay mindful. Okay, so first let me show you the centerpiece of the box. You get this Candid Wellness Discbound Journal. It is a half-letter 8-disc system with special edition discs. These are the blue discs, and they are a very nice matte color. It looks very calming, and I think it's perfect for this box. You also get this Candid cover. There was a protective sheet over this and that you can just remove. It's nice, thick, and it's still clear. And then you also get this Wondermind and cloth and paper vellum dashboard. You also get this nice thick work in progress dashboard. There's also 3 dividers for agenda, workshop, and journaling. Each of these have different pages in the middle. You have the Hobonichi style weekly inserts with the week on this page with the grid, and then more note pages over here. They are undated, so you can use them whenever you need to. The second tab is the workshop. This includes some reflection pages so that you can reflect on anytime you watch a workshop, read a book, an article, watch a film, podcast, or anything else. You can write the name of it, the topic, a summary, the key takeaways, your emotional response, and thoughts. And then finally, you get into the journaling page. And the journaling pages are just lined notes, but there is space for the date and the focus of your page. So you can just freehand and write whatever's on your mind. I think this is just going to be a great addition to my nighttime routine so that I can get all the thoughts out of my mind. So I just love these journaling pages because I started journaling regularly during a really stressful time in my life, and writing down my thoughts helped me process what was going on, and it gives me so much clarity. This journal is perfect for that. It's a space to pause and reflect on how you're feeling, what's on your mind, and what you need to focus on. One of the best ways to complement this journal is by using the resources on Wondermind's website. You can get into their interviews, essays, articles, and podcasts, and use these reflection worksheets to write about what you learned from each of those. So there's pro tips and lots of stories from real people who share their experiences. Sometimes hearing someone else's journey can really help you reflect on your own. Pairing this journal with the Wondermind resources is an amazing way to stay consistent in your mental fitness practice and learn more about yourself along the way. The next thing I want to talk about are these Santorini clips. So it did come with 2. So this one is the glossy one, and it also came with a matte one. These are perfect for keeping your page that you're on, maybe like the week that you're on. I love that they're magnetic and they don't ruin your paper. So now let's talk about the mood stickers. So we have these mood stickers, and they are just simple but a powerful way to track your emotions every single day. You can track your mood to help you spot patterns like noticing that certain times of the month or specific situations trigger more stress. These are perfect for making that process visual and easy. I love that they are already cut out so that you can just put it right into your disc-bound journal. And then you also get these sticky notes. It has the 3x3 sticky note and then some of these page flags that you can use to mark a specific page in your journal or planner. They are like a smooth plastic, so you probably can't use a gel pen on these. The next thing I want to talk about are the pens. So we've got these exclusive pens from Cloth and Paper. We have the Pentel Energel In-Free Gel Pen in blue black and the Zebra JJZ66 Gel Pen in 0.5 millimeters. Both of these pens write very smoothly. I just love the way it looks. Having a good pen always makes journaling feel even more therapeutic. So it's just the little things that make the difference, like sitting down with a pen that glides across the page and helps you unwind. Of course, we can't forget the Quilted Dust Bag. I just love this color. Blue has been a favorite color of mine lately. I've been wearing a lot of dusty blue clothes and everything, so when I saw this color, I just knew I had to get it. This is perfect for keeping your journal safe or carrying it around. You can also fit an iPad in here. I have the 11-inch iPad and it fits perfectly. It's a very nice protective bag to carry everything on the go. This partnership between cloth and paper and Wondermind is so special. It's not just about staying organized and planning. It's about blending mental wellness with productivity. Everything in this box is designed to help you take care of your mind. Whether it's journaling, tracking your mood, or using resources from Wondermind's website, it's all about creating space for mindfulness in your day-to-day routine. So if there's ever been a time to sign up, it's right now. This box is bigger than usual, packed with more value, and includes this full notebook, special edition disc, and the Wondermind Quilted Dust Bag. It's only available for a limited time, and once it's sold out, it's gone. So for those who sign up using my code WMCP, you'll get 10% off. If you are already subscribed, then make sure you stay subscribed so that you can get this box in October. So you definitely do not want to miss out on this exclusive box. And with World Mental Health Day coming up on October 10th, this box couldn't have come at a better time. So mental health is something we need to work on all year round, but this day serves as a great reminder to check in with ourselves. So I'll be using this journal and the tools from Wondermind to make sure that I'm focusing on my mental wellness this month. And I hope that you will join me. So yeah, if you are ready to start prioritizing your mental health and your planning, this box is a must-have. It's only available until October 15th, so make sure you grab yours before it's gone. I've got the link down in the description for you. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments how you're focusing on your mental fitness this month, and if you enjoyed this video. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one.